As a programmer, one of the skills that you need is producing flowcharts so that you can communicate with those at different points of the development life cycle. So it could be the client, or it could be the analyst, or it could be the programmer, depending on your role as well. So it used to be that if you were in college, you could use the Microsoft program Visio, but that's not generally available in the Microsoft Office suite. And in fact, I used to use a program called Draw.io, but I'm going to show you now that that has become an app within Office.com. So I'm just going to hide my PowerPoint. So what you find is if you log yourself into your Office.com account, you will find these diagrams may be running down the left, or they might be running across the top. What you need is you want to come down to All Apps, and this shows you all the standard apps as well as apps that Microsoft has now bought, and or other ones that can be used with Office.com. And one of those is diagrams.net, and it turns out that is exactly the same program. So I'm going to open diagrams.net. I'm going to start, and in fact it works with a number of different online drives. I've got it connected now to OneDrive, so it's assuming I want that. I'm going to open a new one. I want to go through Basic, I want Flowchart, and I want to create one. I can choose a folder. So these are my folders within my OneDrive. So I might go into my George Colleges. And here's one, the basic one that I saved previously. No, yes, I believe this may actually come from Draw.io. So it's a sample to give you an idea. Now the interesting thing is it works like other programs where you can click on items to create them. Don't have a decision. There are various ways of creating objects. The important thing to note, the interesting things to note, is if I click on a line and join these objects up, you'll note the little notches on this. If I join the line up with the items, then when I move the item, the line moves with it. And that's why it's so much better than using Word or PowerPoint to create your flowchart. There should be plenty of exercises that I'm giving you on how the flowchart should look, but I realised I hadn't shown you how to actually draw one. I hope this helps.